To see nature at its best. Look at this, guys. If you know the name of these flowers, I think you have to tell me, but some of them I won't know because they just grow naturally. Some of them I won't know, but you have to show me, tell me which one do you know. Please subscribe so that it will take you to a lot of places. Look at this, guys. Look at these ones. How are they blooming? Look. How nice. Look. Is this not beautiful? You can take time. If you have got time, you just go out just to be with nature. It makes you refresh your mind. Think again. How do we live on this planet Earth? Just to check how beautiful it is. Let's go, we'll take you along. Look at this greenery. There's nobody living here. So